In this video, we demonstrate how to diagnose and change out a faulty blower motor control unit. On this truck, the climate control unit has no power. The diagnostics menu was not able to connect to the unit. These are the tools required for replacing the climate unit. Remove the 2 screws with the flathead screwdriver. Remove the panel. Use a pick tool and be gentle with the upper trim. The lower trim comes out with a little force. Make sure you don't break the clips. Remove the 7 screws holding the radio and also the climate unit. Slide the radio down to get more room to work. Install the new climate unit and all the screws. Install all trims and panels and make sure you have no screws left over. Turn the key on and test the system. You should now be able to verify that everything is working properly.